Hi everyone! Welcome to our mini vlog.
Thank you, Mommy. Thanks, Mom.
Magsa-start na nga ulit ako mag-diet. Ito pala yung low carb bread. Mula nga kasi nung pandemic, napabayaan na naman ako sa kusina.
Hi, Mommy.
Tinatamad nga ako magluto today, kaya ito na lang ang lulutuin ko. Simple lang to, pero favorite din nila tong kainin.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Kung kailan naman mainit, tsaka naman gusto sa labas maglaro nitong dalawang to.
So cool. It's working.
Ice cream!
Yay! Thank you. Such a summery day. But here it's so cold whenever I bite it. It's cold. No, like when here because it's really sensitive there. Daddy! Hey, wait. We gotta go to the car with it. Hey!
O diba, nag-away pa? Nag-unahan pa kayo. Magpa-park lang naman ang daddy nyo. Yan nga lang muna for today. Thank you guys for watching.